Hello crafters, today I'm very excited because I'm going to be reviewing this Magic Embroidery Pen or punch needle, depending how you want to call it. And so if this sounds fun, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. So I actually got this embroidery pen on Amazon. It'll be linked down below. It's an affiliate link, but if you get it, if you buy this pen through my link, it will help me with my channel. I get a small commission at no extra cost to you. So this embroidery pen, I'm just going to go in on detail, and this is actually, it's a Sea Whisper 1, and I think normally they come in like a green packaging, but I didn't get it. I'm not really complaining, but I'm just putting that out there. I would have gotten another one that seemed to be higher quality, and I think got more accessories with it. I'll also link that down below, but it didn't ship to Ireland or something like that, which I'm kind of used to at this stage, but I'm over the moon with this one. So here you have the obviously the needle, and in this set you get 3 different needles. I have the biggest one on now, and I'll show you how to change it later. And it's kind of like a pen, as you might imagine, and there's also a rubber thing here, which is definitely, you definitely need it. And here you can adjust the pen, the needle length, to see how far your stitches will go. I normally always put it at the down. I always put it down, and when it's at the when I want to close it, I always put it at the top and twist. And this is a little cap you can take off when you're threading. And in the kit, it comes in this little box, which is great. You get 2 of these threaders. One of mine broke already, but you can make them very easily with just some folded wire. And you get these little caps for obviously the needles. This is the thinnest one, and this is the second thinnest one, and this is the thickest one, as you can see. You also get a plastic bag, which is great, and very good instructions, I have to say. I'm very amazed. And if you can't understand these, even though you really should be able to, even though this is in German, but the other side is great. There are plenty of online videos, including my own. They'll be linked here at the playlist and in the description box below if you want to look at those. And there's also QR codes, so you really should be able to look at them to figure it out. So I've made lots of things with this pen, and I have to say it does work really, really, really well, so I'm very happy. And all of these will be linked. So these are some of the things I have made. And this one, which I have to say, it would take a very good pen and a lot of patience to make this, and I kind of had both, so I could make this. Maybe not the patience, but the pen, definitely. So how to change the needle, which is something I don't think I've shared yet. So you're going to want to take the little cap off, and then you're going to unscrew this all the way, and then just pull it out. I put some tape on here for some weird reason. So how to change the needle of your embroidery pen, I'm going to show you how to do that now. So you're going to want to take off the cap, just it comes off straight off, and then you want to take this little I guess dial here, and you're just going to twist it all the way, and you should be able to pull it all the way out. So here you can see that you have this plastic part attached to the needle, and you can twist that and it should come right out, and it kind of interlocks with it like that. Then choose whatever needle size you want. I think I'm going to put in the medium one. So you're going to want to put that in and then twist, and yeah, it should go in. No. There. So there it is, and then you want to stick it back into the pen, and then it should go right back. And you can pop on your cap again, and that's how you change your needle. So it's very easy to do, and yeah. So to go back to the pen as a whole, I have to say that it's high quality enough. I was kind of really amazed by the quality. It's very cheap. It's maximum like £8, and it's like £6 to £8 on Amazon. I forgot, but it's linked below. So it's very good, and I have to say this is not embroidery. This is not, like, you will not get stitches like embroidery, but if you want to get the effect of embroidery without like all the work, this is definitely the way to go. It makes it so much easier, and it's definitely worth like the money for your time. So yeah, there are lots of different kinds of punch needles available on the internet. There's some that I really want to get that are more chunky for chunky wool. I'm not sure if I'll use them, but I really want to get them. And there's an Oxford one as well, which seems really good, but I have the kind of the cheap one, I guess. But I have to say, I'm really happy with it. It is quite high quality. The whole set is really high quality, and everything's worked really well with it so far. So here's hoping, and I'm sure it will last a long time. So thanks so much for watching this video. Please go out, please check all of my my last videos on punch needle embroidery. They'll be down here and up there. I did a tutorial, embroidery pen art, an unboxing, and something else. I think I did something else. Oh yeah, and tips and tricks, which is a really good video. And yeah, so if that sounds fun, please go check them out. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye!